In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a staging site in WP Engine in 2025. Creating a staging site is an essential step in development, as it allows you to test changes before pushing them to your live site. This ensures that any tweaks or updates you make don't cause any interruptions for your visitors. Let's get started by logging into your WP Engine dashboard. Once you're in, you'll want to navigate to your list of sites. Here, you'll see all the sites you manage under your account. Select the one you want to create a staging environment for. This decision is crucial because the staging environment will be an exact copy of the live site you pick, allowing you to test and experiment freely. After selecting the desired site, look at the top navigation menu and find the option that says Sites. Hover over that and a drop-down menu will appear. From here, click on Staging and then you'll find an option to create staging site. Click on it. This is where the magic begins. What's happening here is the WP Engine is duplicating your live site to create a completely separate environment. This process ensures that any changes you test won't impact your live site until you're ready. Once you've initiated the creation of the staging site, you'll need to confirm that a copy of your live site will be used for this staging environment. This might sound repetitive, but it's just a precaution to ensure you're duplicating the right site. Hit the confirmation option and WP Engine will get to work. This process may take a few minutes as it sets up your staging site. While we're waiting, let's talk about why a staging site is so important. It gives you the freedom to test new themes or plugins, experiment with different content edits, or even configuration changes without affecting the live site your visitors see. This can prevent mishaps like site downtime or errors that could cost you visitors or sales. Now that your staging site is ready, log in using the same WordPress credentials as your live site. This familiarity makes it easier to navigate and test, ensuring that you can jump right into testing any changes effectively. Once logged in, go ahead and test changes safely without any worries. You might want to try changes to themes, plugins, or overall site configuration. Don't hesitate to edit content or check how booking or payment functionalities run. This is your testing ground, so try it all out. Check forms and layout designs, ensuring everything performs as expected. With a staging site, you have the freedom to discover issues before they become real problems on your live site. Once you're satisfied everything is functioning perfectly, you can confidently apply those changes to your live site. And that's it! You've successfully created a staging site in WP Engine, giving yourself a secure way to enhance and maintain your website. Thanks for watching and happy developing!